Hello and welcome back. This next video on electric uke playing is about Thumbelina by the Pretenders, From Learning to Crawl, a wonderful album from my high school days. I made a zoom patch for this song, and you've seen me use it on these videos already. And it works great here for a bright, jangly rockabilly tone with a long delay that fits the beat. It's not an easy song to play or to get the timing on, surprisingly so. The tempo's quick, and the drum beat suggests a train engine, even if the speaker in the song is driving. You'll need to practice to keep up. Ignore my lame solo. The two parts of note here are the main riff. Notice the muting, and the finger picking. The trick is to fret and pick clean to let the strings ring, particularly for the B chord. Tune your uke, prove me wrong and show that it's dead easy, and let's play.
Hush, little darling, I'll go to sleep. Look out the window, I count the sheep. Left off the hillsides, in the fields of wheat, across some